Welcome to my channel. Now I will tell you about keyboard. Keyboard is an input device which has keys that enable one to enter data into a computer. The keys on the keyboard can be divided into several groups based on their function as follows. Escape key. This is a key found on the top left corner of a computer keyboard. It allows the user to cancel or close an operation. Backspace key. This is a keyboard key that deletes any character before cursor current position. Function key. This is a keyboard key used to perform specific tasks. For instance, F1 is mostly used as help key, navigation and editing keys. These keys are used for moving around in the documents. They include the arrow key, home, end, page up, page down, delete, and insert buttons. Typing or alphanumeric keys. These keys include letters, numbers, punctuation marks, and symbol keys found on traditional typewriter. Control keys. These keys are used alone or in combination with other keys to perform such tasks as bold, italic, underline, save, copy, cut, and paste. Windows key. Most keyboards have window key near the control key. It opens the start menu. Then press the window key again to close the start menu. In addition, Windows key with other key performs different activity. For example, Windows logo key plus D display the desktop, and Windows logo plus E open computer. Windows logo plus L lock user account or switch user. Directional keys. These are four keys on a computer keyboard with arrow up, down, left, and right arrow. Alternate key. The alternate key provides alternate input and operation when pressed in combination with other keys. Numeric key. It is used for entering numbers quickly. Thank you for listening. Like, share, and subscribe this channel.